just disappeared on me now. This is really, really frustrating, but let me see if I know it. Okay, yeah, I got it. Okay, just listen very carefully now. Okay, I want us to pay attention to this. Very, very important. I got what I'm looking for. Before we could go into the, I have 15 more minutes left, but let's listen to this.
About Nnamdi Kanu, who is British, who is also Nigerian. And then one of the big issues is about how the Nigerian court had taken his British passport, and then all of a sudden he traveled around the world with a British passport before he was arrested in Kenya. Now, we have in this summit summit on education that we'll have in the same room Prime Minister Boris Johnson, we'll have President of Kenya, President Kenyatta, and we will also have President Buhari, and the big elephant in the room, I imagine, will be Nnamdi Kanu. What do you think the conversation will be like?
This is British High Commission.
Listen very carefully. The Nigerian government has been raising questions about the role of the British government. How did Nnamdi Kanu get back his British passport and all of those details? And then your views on what happened yesterday and what the British government is doing in terms of its own interventions. I say it's a digression, but we'll come back to this, immediate issue about girls' education.
Well, as you say, it is a digression. I'm here to talk about the summit, which is the most important thing that the Prime Minister will be engaging with President Buhari on. And just to reiterate the commitment we're looking to from Nigeria, which is to return to pre-COVID levels of expenditure and to funding 20% of the government budget on education. On Nnamdi Kanu, all I will say is that we're on record as saying that we can offer consular assistance to British nationals, and we have requested that consular access, and that's all I'm prepared to say in this interview. Thank you.
But what do you think, High Commissioner, in terms of what has transpired so far? Because, you've been quoted in the papers as having expressed opinions about the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of IPOB.
No, I don't think I would know what I've said about the trial. I haven't said anything about the trials. As I said, what we have said on the record, as a dual national, we can and we often do offer consular assistance, and in this case, we have offered consular assistance to Nnamdi Kanu.
Now, do you see why I play this? I only play this for one particular reason. This is a British High Commissioner, Katrina Lang. This is a woman that actually, has been on the, gallivanting all over the place in Nigeria. This woman is the one in charge of Nigeria. This woman you are looking at here is the one ruling Nigeria now. Some of you don't know. You see? Some of you don't know this woman, this particular woman, she resurfaced after her mission was actually accomplished. She got disappeared and make sure that our leader is kidnapped in Kenya, and then extraordinary rendition to the zoo, and all of a sudden she appeared from the blue. She disappeared even on the Twitter. She disappeared on the social media, and as soon as our leader was rendered into the zoo, she surfaced, and all of a sudden asked Nigerians, started marshalling out deals for Nigerians to actually have position, come to United Kingdom. You can apply for visa for United Kingdom, for any other whatever that she actually, all of a sudden British are now advertising for people to, the British High Commissioner in Nigeria advertising for people to, apply for visa to come to UK. I don't know where you have seen that happened. British High Commissioner in Nigeria, all of a sudden, a woman that disappeared after our leader hit her hard on her fraudulent activities in Nigeria. After IPOB hit this woman hard on her fraudulent activities in Nigeria, gallivanting all over the place, summoning meeting every now and then, meeting the Nigerian police forces, meeting the Nigerian army, meeting the Nigerian government, meeting Nigerian politicians, meeting Nigerian traditional rulers. All of a sudden, you know, when we start exposing her nefarious activities in Nigeria, she disappeared from social media. She shut down her Twitter handle account and went missing until our leader was kidnapped in Kenya. We did not know her disappearance was working behind the scene to make sure that our leader, you know, was actually rendered in Kenya and, you know, brought back to Nigeria. Her intention earlier was for her to be, for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be, you know, assassinated. And that did not happen. And look at what she said here. She didn't want to talk about the British citizen. What concerns her is actually what is, you know, the meeting, Buhari, the idiot that called himself the boy that's claiming to be Buhari. You can see the mask. If I put on mask here and I have one, let me show you something. I have mask here. As a normal person, I have my normal face. If I put on this mask now, that will actually, it will not affect my nose. You see, everything looks the same. Everything looked the same. You can see my nose there. Very okay, calm. You can see because I'm not wearing anything. This is my real face. But in this case, this man will wear mask. You see this mask, the face, the mask will fold here, will fold. You can see it. You can see it clearly. You can see it clearly that the boy wearing the mask is not Buhari. This is somebody wearing a mask, impersonating Buhari. And the woman behind this crime is this woman. This woman. Some of us have forgotten this woman has a pending charges in against her in Zimbabwe. This woman has been involved in several attempts to kill Mugabe. She did a very huge damage in Zimbabwe. This woman is a bloodsucker. This woman is a demon. And they sent her to Nigeria to continue the same act what she did in Zimbabwe. She had a corruption charges against her in Zimbabwe. Now she's in Nigeria. How long has she been in Nigeria? And look at what she has done. Look at what she has done. And look at the interview they made to her here. After she only reappeared, she only resurfaced since Mazi Nnamdi Kanu were kidnapped and brought to Nigeria. This is the only time. And British has just, you know, because of Nnamdi Kanu, British did not want to care about their integrity, protecting their nationhood, protecting who they are, protecting their nationality. British put it on the line because of Nnamdi Kanu. Remember when American journalist was kidnapping Kanu somewhere in the north? Few months ago, not too long, few months ago, during the before Trump before the American election. Do you remember that? Do all of you remember that? When this man was kidnapped, American black journalist was kidnapped in the north. What did Trump did? They did not want to care whether the guy is somebody who has something America will benefit. What America was interested on is the integrity of Americans. Being a world power, being the most sophisticated world power in this world, the biggest economy in this world. They did not want to care anything. They did not want to jeopardize. They don't want you to see them as a weak American. Regardless what they were doing to Trump. Regardless what was going on in America at the time. America did not want to play with their citizens, with their integrity. You cannot trample their citizens on ground, regardless who you think you are. Regardless what Trump was facing at that time, America did not want to play gamble on that. They deployed their nearest, army within Africa. They invaded northern region and they made sure they rescued their man, American citizen. They rescued that guy. They rescued him. They didn't want, I told him story. They don't want to hear story. That American citizen is in dungeon at the hands of the Boko Haram and bandits in the northern Nigeria, and they were doing election. They abandoned the election. Trump abandoned his election, abandoned his concern as the president, losing election, facing a very biggest challenge in his life. He did not want to care about that. And Trump sent his army and went to the north to make sure that his American citizen was rescued there. And look at Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Look at what the British are doing. Look at what the British are doing. The parasite British, who cares nothing. People, carnivore, I call them, or that's what I call British. People that eat human being to live. People that eat out of people's flesh to live, to survive. They don't want to care. They took Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, kidnapped the citizen that has no Nigerian passport. Has no Nigerian passport. Was not kidnapped with a Nigerian passport. They walk underground and make sure that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is kidnapped and assassinated. As God may has it, they did not succeed. They brought him to Nigeria. And the one thing that is sure, we are promising Nigeria, you cannot kill Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, regardless of what you think you are. You cannot touch his life. You can keep him as long as you want. We are not going to quit. That is what we are telling you. Biafrans, we are IPOB, we are not going to back down, regardless of holding our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are not backing down. We are not going anywhere. We are letting you know, the Nigerian government. It doesn't matter how many of us you're going to kill. By the way, before you kidnap him, he has already saluted those who are going to die, who are going to sacrifice for Biafra. He already saluted them. And those that have died already. So we're not going anywhere yet. You can keep Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as many times as you want. Keep him as many. We are not backing down, and we are not going to remain in that contraption. We are promising British. We are letting the British know this your dirty game you're playing is going to consume you, British. It's going to consume you. It's going to consume you. That is what we are telling you, the British government. You are inviting, now, look at what is happening. At least somebody, the Kenyan president, the kidnapper himself, is actually in UK now, isn't it? You can see the actual picture of the president with Boris Johnson. You can see the picture. You see it on my wall there. The living president. You can see him with a handshake. Now, watch in the next few. Somebody told me already when I posted that video that they have made already Photoshop of Boris Johnson with Buhari. But you can see a real picture taken from Boris Johnson and Uhuru Kenyatta. You can see the difference. You can see the videos everywhere. But you will never see this mask wearer. Nnamdi Kanu is in court. Was meant to be in court. A British citizen was meant to be in court in Nigeria over extraordinary rendition. And the British are inviting the mask wearer, somebody who is not a president. I don't know what these people think they are. In Europe here where we are, only two people. If two people begin to point hand that the person that is ruling them, the person or either prime minister or a president, if two people stood up and said that this man that is sitting here as our prime minister is no longer our prime minister, the whole government will shut the system down and make sure that they certify the citizens to prove that the man sitting there is their president. But in whole Nigeria, the British have seen almost 70 million people saying that the man sitting in Asrock is not the president. They keep acting like they don't know. They are not aware of it. The same UK where Nigerian aircraft parked for 3 good months, 3 months and a half. The presidential jet parked in Britain for 3 good months and a half against the constitutional law in Nigeria that the president of Nigeria cannot be outside consecutively 3 good months. He will technically removed. He will be technically removed. But this man breached it, stayed over 90 days in abroad. Nobody knows what happened. All of a sudden, they brought us this idiot now wearing mask. Every time you see the nose rumped all over the place, you can see the 2 eyes coming out from the mask. And Nigerians are looking at it. Now everything is getting on everybody, isn't it? But when we were saying it a few years ago, all of you were calling us names, calling us whatever you think you like. We are calling us different names. And today, look at what happened. It's getting on everybody now. Even Yorubas now are paying. Everybody now is crying. Look at the whole Nigerian lawyers. They were locked out yesterday from the courts. So, Onyekande Anachirefi, who is the citizen in Nigeria? Who is the citizen of Nigeria? Since you don't respect even the lawyers. You don't respect the lawyers. Regardless what you think, regardless, you can't prevent lawyers from going inside court. Even ordinary citizens, you can't prevent them from going inside court. It's not done anywhere. Come in this country, if you wish to go to a court that you have nothing even, you have no business there, the police or the security in that courtroom will not stop you. You just want to go and watch proceedings in the court. It's a right. Talk less of people that have something to do in the court. You prevented them from going inside the court only to fool them. So why are you locking the court then? Courtroom. Why are you locking it? Since you know Nnamdi Kanu is not there. So why are you locking it? Why are you locking lawyers outside the court? Why are you preventing them going inside the court? What is the thing you are preventing? Since you know Nnamdi Kanu is not in the court, he's not in the courtroom. So why were you preventing the lawyers from going in? And people are looking at this thing, thinking it's normal. What I'm telling you today, that Fulani have hijacked Nigerian government. Terrorists are ruling Nigeria, and British are the ones behind this. Evil British. The British government, Katrina Line, looking at Nigeria, looking at the person in Nigeria government system now, a bunch of terrorists, and they were supporting it, making it look like it's not real. And these people are killing Nigerian citizens with impunity, killing everybody. You see police yesterday drawing gun to shoot a citizen who came to court that commits no crime, has no weapon, has no Biafran flag, have nothing. And the British saw all these videos. Katrina Lank saw all these videos. Says nothing. Only for Buhari, whoever they call Buhari, is flying to London for a summit. And nobody has seen the video now. Nobody has seen Buhari, the Buhari they are talking about, anywhere in London here. We are in London here waiting, looking for him. Where is the guy they call Buhari? The boy wearing Buhari's mask. You are saying Nnamdi Kanu give you one condition to drop Biafra agitation. Only one condition he gave you. If you prove to him that the man sitting in Aso Rock is Buhari, he will abandon Biafra. He will call off for the agitation. If you can prove to him. So Nigerian government, what is it that you're hiding? Nnamdi Kanu is in your possession now, isn't it? You had him. Prove to him that this man you're saying that is not Buhari, is Buhari. Then we abandon this. We all go back home and sit down. Prove to us. That's all we're saying. Prove to us that the man sitting in Aso Rock is Buhari. Nnamdi Kanu have said it. He will call off the agitation. And me, myself, I'm ready to quit. And you are dragging Nnamdi Kanu all over the place. Acting like you don't know what you're doing, acting like you don't know terrorism charges, you bring in intimidation. So why don't you bring that Nnamdi Kanu said that the man is in Aso Rock, the man in Aso Rock is not Buhari? Why don't you add it in your charges? Why are you running from your own court of law? Since you're upholding the law, why are you running away from your own court of law? Nnamdi Kanu is there. His lawyers is there. IPOB is there. You cannot intimidate us out of the court. You saw them yesterday. You should have opened your machine gun and kill everybody there then, since you are mad. You think we are going to give our land for you? You have sucked our oil for over 100 years, killed a lot of people in our land, polluted our ecosystem, destroyed life. British, you still haven't got enough of it. You see, this time around, I am telling you, British, you people are going to lose everything in the Biafra land. It's not a threat, it's a promise that we must have. It's a task. You people are going to lose everything you own in Biafra land for holding Nnamdi Kanu. For subjugating Nnamdi Kanu, we are not telling you that anything will happen to Nnamdi Kanu. That one is out of question. Nothing should happen to Nnamdi Kanu. It's completely out of question. We are letting you know, nothing should happen to Nnamdi Kanu. And it's a promise, nothing. Because we are telling you, British, this time around, we are going to die with you there. In that our land. It's our land. It's our oil. Everything in that land belongs to us. We were not dragging anything here in UK with you. We don't drag anything here in UK with you. We are not dragging your land here with you. We are not dragging your home office here with you. We are not dragging even your position in here with you. British, why are you not letting a Nigerian to be your prime minister? Why are you not? Why are you not giving them that opportunity to be your prime minister? Why are you not letting any other religion to be a prime minister in Britain? Except Anglican, somebody who is an Anglophone, whatever you call it, is the only person that has right to be what do you call it? To be a prime minister. You are such a hypocrite. British, you are such a hypocrite. You people are such a blood-sucking demon. British, we are telling you here in your land. We are telling you to your face. And we are not hiding. We are not hiding our face. Do your worst. I've told you, you killed us, many of us few years ago. 1967 to 70. You killed us how many? And you have been killing us. And this time around, we are going to dash you more 40 million people to be slaughtered. And Biafra must be restored. It's a promise. It's not a threat. Not a threat at all. It's a promise. We have come to restore Biafra. Nothing more, nothing less. Do whatever you like. Do your worst. Hold on Nnamdi Kanu as much as you can. We came to Abuja yesterday. We defied that your nonsense there. We came to Abuja. We stand in your face and sang Nnamdi Kanu is our savior. You can't do anything. We are telling you. You cannot do anything. Put the court case tomorrow. You will see thousands of Biafrans there. We are coming there. You blood parasites. You evil British Katrina Lank. A woman, you coming in our land, messing our life up, killing young children, but you have your own youth here, protecting them, guiding them and protecting them, coming in Africa, killing youth there. What do we have in common with you, British? What is our business with you? Evil British and Katrina Lank, what is our business with you? What do we have in common with you? That you are killing our people and molesting everybody. You think we're going to have this anymore? We have come to restore Biafra. It's our land. I am telling you, holding in Nnamdi Kanu, you are going to lose whatever interest you have in Biafra land. Every goddamn thing you have in Biafra land, you are going to lose them. And you cannot be forgiven for killing us over 10 million. Up until this day, we are not going to forgive you, British. This thing you're sowing, this seed you're sowing is going to germinate. We are going to pass it to our children, children. We are going to let them know that this is what you have done and you remain our enemy until eternity. British, we are letting you know. You people are our enemy from now to eternity. British, we have had enough of you. You blood suckers, blood parasites, British. You people are evil. You people are criminals. British, you people are the ones that are terrorists. You came in our land, you kill us. You take our oil, you don't want us to have peace. Let us have peace, no. Do you use our oil and develop our place? No. Okay, and leave our land? No. Now you are bringing Fulani to slaughter our people. Rape with impunity. And you are pretending like you are not seeing it. You're pretending like you're not seeing it. Like we don't know what you're doing. We know you. We know your signature. We know you people are involved. Now today you have congratulated Uhuru Kenyatta for doing what he did. And you think we are going to take it? We are not going to have it anymore. British, do your worst. We are going to establish every goddamn thing, every interest you have in Biafra land is going to be, we are going to dismantle them. We are letting you know. You people are mad. You people are mad and criminals. British, we are telling you, we are in your country and we are telling you here, right in your face. You people are mad and criminals. You people are the terrorists. We have had enough of you. Buhari is dead. You people are parading a dead, somebody that is dead. A president is dead. You people, it died in your country. The presidential jet was left packed in Britain. You know Buhari is dead. He died in your country. Here in UK. And you are ruling 200 million people with an imposter. And Nigerians, so foolish some of you are looking at this, keeping quiet, thinking that this is going to be better in Nigeria. Now they are telling you to come to UK and study. And when you study, then they will come home, or anytime you stand up, they will kill you. Nnamdi Kanu studied in UK. They want people to come to UK. We came to UK here, we studied here. And you kidnap Nnamdi Kanu for studying here and learning your tricks and the evil that you are doing in Africa. Nnamdi Kanu came here and saw your crime, your evil deeds in Africa. Now you didn't like it. And you're asking more people to come here, to come and learn more here, to come and study here. When they raise their head up, you crush them. British, you people are criminals. You are the terrorists. We are letting you know right in your face. And we're not going to have it. We are not going to have it anymore. We are here. We are here. Biafra must be restored. Anybody thinking or contemplating to back down, you are not supposed to be here. If you don't know the reason why you joined this struggle, go and check very well. It's not going to be palatable. People will die, and we are ready to die. If we don't give a toss, people are going to die. Do not come here and start blaming Nnamdi Kanu have done everything. Nnamdi Kanu have lost his parents. His father died in this struggle. His mother died here. His sister died here. And also his dog died here. What else do you want? He's in prison. And people are still blaming as people are still growing cold. What are you growing cold for? And you're pointing hand at the DOS. What are you growing cold for? What is your own legacy? What is your own contribution here? Nnamdi Kanu said it, that you people will disappoint him. But for him, he will not. Up now he went through in Kenya. He still remaining strong in the zoo. And some of you are here, talking rubbish, growing cold like nothing happened. And you think that another person will come tomorrow and they wouldn't attack the person? If you allow them to continue to attack Nnamdi Kanu, British, sucking their oil comfortably, now we need men. Men need to come out now. This is the time the men in Biafra land, the remaining men should stand up. This is the time for us to die for what we believe in. This is not the time to blame. This is the time for men to come out. Let's go and die. This is no more life. I told you, if I want to live here and enjoy myself, I will do it. If I want everything here, I can get it. But my concern is people that are at home. We cannot live a life like this. This shame has to come to an end. This shame must come to an end. Enough of it. Everybody should stand up. This is the time we need men. If you're not contributing, if you have not been contributing in IPOB, if you are not been contributing to the ESN, now is the time for you to bring out even more money to support this. Because our leader told you he will lead this war, this battle from the front, and it's in Biafra land now. Some of you cannot decode things. He's there now leading it, expecting you to do what you're supposed to do. And some of you are here talking jargons, growing cold, looking everywhere quiet like, what happened? What happened? So can you not think if Nnamdi Kanu is not longer now, what will be your fate? Do you think Nigeria is going to get better? If Nigeria is the only country that when you look about 20 years ago is much better than the present day. It's only in Nigeria. The only country that never proceed, that never come out for any, you haven't seen any progress in Nigeria. And now they are bringing all of you, what do they call it? Big Brother Naija, to distract you. Any of you here watching me, if one post to Big Brother Naija, I'm gonna block you straight away. If one post to Big Brother Naija na Facebook, man here reflect I will block you straight away. Ndo lohona abok hana achuoke. They want to bring Big Brother Naija like anything is working. People are protesting everywhere. Everybody in Europe, in America, this is the time for us to protest. Let's continue protest. Let's keep the pressure here. We must expose British. There will be no hiding place. There will be no hiding place for the British. This is the time for us to show them we are in their country. No country that got their freedom in Austria that you're talking about, Austria, only 25%. That got Austrian Republic. 25%. Go and check it. It's a history. So don't expect anybody to come to your rescue. Don't expect America to come to your rescue. Don't expect UN to come to their rescue. They are all benefiting with what's happening in Nigeria today. That is why all of them are involved in Buhari's death and they kept quiet. And it's only us. I am telling you, nobody is going to come. Nobody. None of these people will come. America will not come. Europe will not come. This is our land. It's up to us to stand up and fight for it. If it's only 5 people left after we have fought this brutal war, if it's only 5, let them replenish Biafra land. Let them multiply rather than living this life. This is a useless life we are living. Come here and see what people are doing here. Cleaning, washing old women's ass here. But while our old women are back home being raped by Fulanis, and now they are chasing us out from our land. They don't want us to cultivate. They don't want to plant. Look at what the Fulani soldier, Nigerian soldier went in a farm and cut down all the maize somebody spent. This is really horrible. And British saw all this thing. British saw them. They saw it on social media. A Nigerian police force that is meant to protect. Look at police that is the police of Nigeria. Nigerian police said that their job is to protect life and property. But some Nigerian police are now the one. Nigerian government police will kill a citizen without a due process and then went and burned down the properties. They claim that their job is meant to be protected. Nigerian police going to people's house, arresting, adopting people, and killing them and burning their houses down. And British see all these things. British are the one engineering it. And we are not going to let them in Biafra land. We are not going to let them have peace in Biafra land. It's our land. It's our own territory. We have to fight for it. If you want to know the value of your life, go and start fighting for Biafra now. Contribute. Do whatever you can. Stop sitting on the fence and blaming anybody. The DOS you're talking about, we are not being paid. We are not being paid to sacrifice all we are doing for you. And you keep sitting down. Some of the people who are blaming the DOS, they are not even members of IPP. Some of them don't even contribute to anything. Go and do something. This is the time for men. This is the time for youth in Biafra land to stand up. Everybody, because it's not going to get better. If you think Nigeria is going to get better, it's going to get worse. Nigerian government has been hijacked by Fulanis, aided and abetted by the British, and they are using the resources now to commit international offense. Now, the money they are extracting from the oil, they are not investing it in the Nigerian soil. Now, they are using it even to colonize Africa, to use it to propagate their deadly agenda across Sahel Africa. You see what we are saying? They have managed to suppress the North. They have been in control of Yoruba. Biafra land is the only where that they are having nightmare. They have now taken hold of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. With the resources in Biafra land, going out outside Africa, outside the zoo. And who is supporting them? British. And you're sitting here looking at them, thinking that this is going to be better. It's not going to be better. Some of us who are living here in Europe, your children are not coming home in Nigeria. They are not coming home because Nigeria is not good. And it's not going to be good. No child that is seeing all these necessary amenities here. And then they will go to Nigeria. They would like to come to Nigeria where there is no electricity. Where Fulani man, a policeman will draw a gun for nothing. For a citizen. It never happened anywhere. A policeman would just draw a gun onto a citizen for nothing, no provocation, nothing. And Nigerian government has seen, the British are seeing all these videos, seeing all this, they say it's not verified. But it happened in the court. It's happening in the court. This is what I have here. My time is up. I told you it's going to be only 20 minutes. And this is what I have here. Thank you very much for joining me. And I'm going to actually, make a proper program on this. In the next coming days or so. I was so, pushed to come out this afternoon to do this in just 20 minutes. And thank you all of you for joining me here. Mazi Chukwudi. Thank you very much. Nyinye Anyan Song. Thank you very much. Who else is there? I want to thank you. Johnson. Thank you very much. Ekele, okay, thank you very much for coming as well. Watching Oh, I didn't know that you are here. Who else is here as well? Who else is here? Anayo, thank you very much. Nwadibia, thank you very much for coming. Who else am I seeing here? Who else am I seeing here? Stan, I think, is it Stan? I don't know. That's not a complete name. Stan, anyway. Agunobi, thank you very much. You are here. Who else am I seeing here? Ify, thank you very much for coming. Who else? Miriam, thank you very much. Sunday, yes. Sunday, who? Okay, son. Yeah, thank you very much. Joseph, is it Joseph? Osigwe, thank you very much for coming here. Yes, thank you very much. I've seen you here. Who else am I saying here? I wish I can thank all of you here for making time here. Is this son Rich? Thank you very much. Bosco, thank you very much for coming here. Who else is here? Who else am I saying here? Of course, Anderson, I think I've got you. Chinedu, Irakuzi, thank you very much. All of you that have been here today, sometimes like this, we have to say it out. Remain very strong and focused. Ibe, thank you very much for coming. Prince who else is here? Is it Okuchuku? Thank you very much here. And all of you that have been here. We have to remain focused. This is not time. Everybody, this is why Fulani are in charge. They learn how to support their own. Regardless who is there, Pantami, the terrorist, is there. They insisted that he must be there. Pantami, a terrorist. In America here, they said that, have you not heard it? In America here, they said that terrorists are ruling Nigerian government. The terrorists are the one in Nigerian government. Can you believe that? They were discussing it here in the Western world. And Nigerians don't even know that the terrorists are the ones in charge of Nigeria. Leave this thing Katrina Lank is saying. That woman is a demon. It's a devil, that woman you're looking at. Look at how bold this woman. Ordinary high commissioner is gallivanting everywhere. We have Nigerian high commissioner here. Can she call a meeting here to the local councils? Can she go to the prime minister and sit them down? Can she call the police services here and chiefs and sit them down and give them instruction? Can Nigerian High Commissioner here call someone meeting to the army generals here? But Katrina Lank is doing it in Nigeria. Are you people mad? Are you people crazy? Are you people crazy? Are you people out of your mind? And we are looking at it thinking it's normal. Oh man, this is a shame to every black African should cover themselves in shame, including Uhuru Kenyatta, Kenya. I will talk about this. My time is up next time. Thank all of you for coming here, and remain blessed. It's always a pleasure to have you here. And let me just let me just use this in conclusion. I don't know. It's very, very frustrating, but we must continue. I want to appreciate all of you once again, and we remain resolute and focused. And Biafra is here. Biafra is here. This is the time we're supposed to each other, and not the time to blame. Thank you very much for coming, all of you again, and I will see you sometime in the next week.
Where I can't give